That's a great question, Drippy. Groundwater helps us be prepared for emergencies in a bunch of different ways. First, it provides resilience in the case of an emergency that would affect the Bull Run supply, like a big fire or a big storm that washes a lot of dirt or sediment into the reservoirs up there. We can turn to groundwater to provide 100% of our water needs when the Bull Run has to be offline during the wintertime. Groundwater also helps us get through these long, dry summers when the reservoirs in the Bull Run start to get lower and lower and lower and we're not getting rain to refill them. We can use groundwater to make sure everybody can water their lawns and stay cool during those long summer times. And groundwater you can kind of think of like our savings account, right? If we get an emergency situation in our household and our checking account gets low, we can turn to our savings account to get through those tough times. Groundwater is our savings account for our water supply. We use the Bull Run for our checking, for our day-to-day, but when we need it, groundwater's there. Really good follow-up, Drippy. Filtration is going to take care of a whole lot of our needs for the Bull Run, especially those winter storms we were talking about that can get sediment into the reservoirs. But having a backup supply like groundwater still keeps us resilient for other kinds of emergency events where Bull Run could still be impacted. Remember, there's also a lot of pipe that runs between those watersheds up in the mountains and where we use our water here in Portland. So if anything happens that could interrupt that supply, we've got groundwater ready to step in, and it makes our water supply really resilient.